Doogee came out with another fantastic tablet from their T series. This one right here is the T30 Pro, complete with the keyboard and also the Stylus pen accessories. And like many of their other new devices, this tablet is powered by the Helio G99 processor. And that of course means that it also has amazing performance. It's snappy, it has fast reaction speeds, even though it has quite a huge and beautiful display to handle. And all of that while being super affordable. This is hands down another game changer. So let me show you all of it in detail. Got the new drip from Doogee, the T30 Pro tab, the keyboard case accessory and also the Stylus pen. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will link the best deals for you, and now let's check it out. So here we have the box. Let's get rid of the wrap. Beautiful box right there, beautiful cover. We have this on the back, branding on the sides, bottom and top are just blank. T30 Pro of course, specs up here. And now let's open it up. Nice packaging. So this will already come with a protective cover and also a case. Wow, this is amazing actually. Beautiful. And right here we have the rest, namely a cable, the paperwork, SIM tray removal tool, also a pen and of course the charging brick. So let's check that out first. So we have a nice looking white brick, USB-C, and here we have all the specs. Then we will get a fairly long charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. We will get the pen right there. So two tips, this one and also this one. There we go. Then a pretty cool looking SIM tray removal tool and the warranty card right there. And then of course the paperwork, QR code on the back as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the rest is multi-language. Let's start with the pen. The side, back is blank. This side and bottom and top is also just blank. So and now we can just slide it out. Ooh, look at that, beautiful. This side and then the same in English. Let's go. So we will get a charging cable, then we will get the cap and right here the pen. Looking really nice. Wow, look at that button right here. This side for charging it and then we can put on the cap. Ooh, magnetic. Sweet. This is a really nice looking pen. Micro USB for charging, by the way. Then we also have the keyboard case set. We have this on the back and the branding on the sides. This will also just slide open. And here we have it, this side, back side is blank. So here we go. Yo, that is looking cool. Padding in here. So when we open it up, we have first of all this for the camera and also as a kickstand basically. And then right here the connector and also the keyboard right there. Nice. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. So again, this will already come with a case and cover. We will also get a screen protector straight from the factory. Gotta be careful to not rip off the screen protector itself with the foil. There we go. It's so spotless, it's just showing me the reflection. And we can, of course, pull it out. Here we have it. So we have the transparent TPU case with the cover. And here we have the tablet itself. That's the front, camera on top. Then we have the side with the contacts for the keyboard. Also a little microphone hole right here. On the other side we have the power button and the volume rocker. More mic holes right there. We have the speaker, stereo speaker on this side. And here we have the second speaker. Also the headphone jack, this for the SIM card and the USB-C port. And this is what it looks like on the back. Nice camera module, high-res audio, not to forget. And yeah. Camera module looks really nice. And while we are at it, let's of course install the case with the keyboard. So this will just pop in like that. Sweet. And again, this thing on the back, this is basically our kickstand. So check it out, I'm ready for the setup. Nice keyboard, nice keyboard. And the correct way to do it is not like this, because then it will fall over again, but like this, and then it's actually magnetic, so wow. And now it's stable. I love it. Not bad, right? So let's set it up and then get to a few tests. Let's turn it on for the first time. It will vibrate and there we go. So that's vision settings. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's go. This is how it will react to the polarizer, by the way. So not too bad. And these rainbow colors, they are from the screen protector, so don't mind that. In real life, the display is looking perfectly white. The keyboard is so nice. Okay, let's also skip that. Skip that. All right, there we have it. And oh my goodness, this is amazing. So we can even ramp up and down the brightness with the keyboard. We can control everything. That's amazing. We can go to the home screen. I love it. And we even have a mouse with a mouse pad. Volume up, down, amazing. So let's swipe up. Okay, we have the launcher. Let's check for bloatware. We of course have all the Google stuff, but other than that, it's looking fairly clean. We have the WPS Office and we can actually uninstall that. Not too bad. So awesome. So you can get this really clean if you want to. Of course, these programs are not bad at all. They're certainly useful, but you know, if you want it super minimalistic and clean, you can also do that. And I love it. Now let's see. Yeah, let's finish the setup. Why not? Google Protect. Let's configure the keyboard. Yeah, and that's actually perfect. Let's check out the specs. We can rename it and Android 13 straight out of the box. So we have the network, we have connected devices, we have all the apps, we have the notification settings, we have the battery stats, we have the storage, sound vibration. Let's turn that on. We have the display, even adaptive brightness. Pretty nice. We can set the wallpapers, accessibility, security, privacy, location, safety and emergency memory, expansion. We can use all the way up to +7 Gs for RAM. Why not? We have the Google accounts, also integrated digital well-being and parental controls. Google, of course. We have DuraSpeed, speed boost, and yeah. Really nice tablet. So let's test the keyboard. Nice. Typing is really nice. Oh, the Z and Y, I need to change that. Nice. Let's go for another test just on the bed, casual test. This way the display will look way nicer, and as you can see, I have cleaned up all the apps. It's now just one page and it's looking incredible. The stylus is so cool. It's so, well, the whole tablet is so responsive and so snappy. Check it out, YouTube. It's so fast. I love the Helio G99. And the keyboard is amazing. Boom. Love the shortcuts. And this stylus, we have the cap. Of course, the cap is always, the display is always reacting to the cap. So when we paint something, actually, let's create a blank canvas. Look at that. So lovely. So the cap is always active basically. And when you want to activate the tip, this one is not active. You need to press a button, then it will turn to green, to blue, and then you can also use the tip, this precision tip. The cap is of course a bit, you know, it's still super precise compared to your finger, but when you need it to be extremely precise, then you can use the tip of the pen, just like that. And painting with this stylus is amazing. And also the screen protector is high quality because this tip is like metal or something, but it's not scratching up the screen protector, so that's great. This is not a cheap plastic screen protector. This is actually hardened glass, I think. So yeah, this is looking ugly, but you get the point. It's so much fun. So the Explorer is fast, Chrome is fast, YouTube is super fast. What is this? Check this out. Oh, and it's also sounding quite nice. Look at this display. It is beautiful. Beautiful. It sounds great. The display is amazing. The processing power is top notch. You will also get a stylus inside of the box. And yeah, this one is also not too bad actually. Anyways, so you will also get a stylus in the box that you can use, but this dedicated one is so nice. So back to the topic. So not sure how many people actually use the camera with the tablet. Oh, actually for Zoom classes or something like that. So when you want to use a camera, this is what it will look like. Super low light situation, by the way. Let's take a picture. And I've also changed it to the gesture control. And let's also take a video. That's what the video will sound like, by the way. So here we go, better lighting, and So the main camera is of course looking way nicer. Check this out. Not too bad, not too bad. And a little bit of selfie action with the main camera. Here we go. Over there, low light, low light. So yeah, nice. And here we have a picture. So check this out. Looking... Oh wow, that is actually amazing. That is actually amazing. So yeah, highly recommended. The keyboard is also highly recommended. Love it. And the stylus, if you want to feel fancy, you can also get yourself one. Why not? It's so affordable anyways. Man, this is a great tablet. As you saw, the T30 Pro is a beautiful tablet. It's super responsive and fast. Very clean Android as well. Pretty much no bloatware, definitely to my liking. It has memory expansion capabilities, a huge onboard memory. As I said, I'm a big fan of the G99 Helio in here. Amazing processor, just huge value for this price point. The keyboard is great and you can even exchange the caps, even though this will for sure void your warranty, so don't do it, I guess. But yeah, great keyboard, snappy, feels great, and the stylus pen is also super handy to have. It's fun to use for painting and all of that good stuff, and you just feel like a gentleman while using it. I love it. All in all, a super refined product, including the accessories, of course. Doogee did an amazing job on this tablet. Good stuff right here, and all in all, an amazing device. And also a definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description. If you're interested, I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it and I will see you soon.